Hey there, and welcome back to Nail Chronicle. This week I've got a super short video where I'm just showing off the first Halloween design of 2021. This week I wanted to create something a little bit more subtle in terms of Halloween, and so I went with this brain design, which isn't subtle, but when you use the pastel colors, it does tone it down quite a lot, and it almost, in some respects, looks a little bit like clouds depending on the color. So I just used this Creative Shop plate number 35 with some Hit the Bottle nail polish over the top of a Jelly Belly collab with Sally Hansen for a French vanilla polish. In the end, the design was really subtle, it looked pretty, and I think it's not obvious that it's a Halloween design, so I kind of really enjoyed how it turned out, and it was quite cute. So let me know in the comments what you think of this design, and would you wear something like this? Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you next week for Halloween design number 2. So hit that subscribe button so that you know when that one comes out. Catch you next week. Bye!